Hi YouTube and welcome to my crib. I think many of us have experienced a random urge to have a dollhouse. It's actually been a topic of discussion amongst my friends. Maybe it's because my friends tend to be the artistic type, but I think there's definitely something very attractive about being able to redecorate an entire house in a fraction of the time it takes for a real one, for a fraction of the cost, and without having to worry about any real world consequences. With all that in mind, I gave in to my dollhouse urge when I saw this posted locally on Facebook Marketplace. This monster of a house was only £30, and when you compare that to what I could buy new for the same price, I think I got an amazing deal. So let me show you around. This luxury detached home boasts 8 spacious rooms across 4 floors. Each room is finished to a high standard and includes fitted electric lighting, along with solid wooden doors complete with metal fixtures. Every room has its own unique style, with either carpet, high quality laminate, or parquet flooring. This is accompanied by a selection of miniature wallpaper, which may need a little TLC in some places. The windows are a prominent feature of this property, providing ample natural light to all corners, although some maintenance may be required to get this house looking its best. It is home to many period features, such as these light fittings, these curtains with removable poles, and of course these textured ceilings. Each of the hallways features a balconette and are roomy enough to add accents and personal touches. The outside is professionally painted and features an adorable house sign and hand-shingled roof. This dollhouse has clearly been loved and looked after by its previous owners and can now be a blank canvas for your future projects. And that's where I need your help. I'm really keen to redecorate this doll's house with a theme. I just can't decide which theme to go with. I have had a few ideas, which are video games, serial killers, famous artists, or maybe movies. So let me know your favourite in the comments below, or over on my Instagram, which I've linked in the description. Hopefully you can help me decide on the future of this house. I don't have an exact end date for this, and any extra votes might still be used in future, so please don't think that you're too late to vote. And if you want to see which theme I go with and how I execute it, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If this turns out to be popular, I may even redecorate the house multiple times with different themes. So, as a little bonus peek, I intend on kitting out this build with some sculpting and crafty DIYs, but I also want to make use of this bad boy. This 3D printer should help with any hard to sculpt bits and will let me take this project to the next level. If you know any good 3D prints for a dollhouse, feel free to leave a link in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.